Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Crypto.com account. So first thing that you have to do is obviously go to your Crypto.com application, log in and then go to settings here. And once you are on your settings, you can go and scroll down a little bit until we see support and help center. So click on support and help center, and here on help center, as you can see, we can go search for articles and we can type in account and then type in closure like that. Then click on go and then tap on the first thing where it says account closure here, and then here Crypto.com will give you actually step-by-step information on how to close your Crypto.com exchange account. So as you can see, closing your account means your Crypto.com app account, Crypto.com exchange account and your Crypto.com Visa card will not be accessible again. So to close your Crypto.com account, you need to email them at contactcrypto.com, and then obviously we have here a couple of steps. As you can see, after you have closed your account, you are welcome to use our services again by signing up as a new user. So just keep that in mind when closing your Crypto.com account. This is basically how to close your Crypto.com account. It's really simple. You just have to email them and you have here all the steps as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.